In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to access Display. Then scroll down again and tap on Font. Following that, tap on the best font style for you. I will go with Weekly Picks and tap on Kitty. After selecting your font style, tap on Free. Then hit Apply. Wait a couple of seconds, and when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default font style, you need to access the same settings. So Display, Font. This time though, my font's at the top. And Roboto. So when I click and tap on Apply, as you can see, my default font is back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!